Alrighty, Susu. So the first thing you're going to do is go to google.com. Alright, so you'll just type in www.google.com. Afterwards, you're going to select sign in. Then I'm going to click on your account, type in your password, press next. After you do that, you're going to click right here. This is the Google Apps icon. You're going to go to Google Drive. From there, what you're going to do, Susu, is you're going to click again on the app sign and you're going to go to Classroom. Okay? So now you're in the Google Classroom. Make sure you select our class. And then what you have to do, Susu, is you have to find the actual assignment for Newsela. So you go through the days, right? And you look for where it's at. So right here, this is Nearpod. Nope. This is Prodigy. Nope. Oh, Newsela right here. So you click on the assignment. It should load. There we go. So now you'll actually just click right here where it says Newsela sign in. And then it automatically took me to your account. Okay? But let's say that for some reason it didn't take you to your account. What you would do is you would just, let's say it took you to this screen, right? To the sign in screen. You would just sign into Newsela with Google. Right? So you would click on that and then it should work like that. If that doesn't work, just let me know and we'll try to figure out what's going on. Because it worked for me right here. You might have to go back. You might have to go back to the screen right here where it says sign into Newsela with Google. And maybe you'll have to you'll have to write your actual email and your password right here. It could do that, or you can, like I said, just click on the Google right here and see which one works. Like I said, if that doesn't work, let me know. Bye, Susu.